Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a magic circle in Ibis Paint X. We'll start by opening a new canvas and selecting the ruler tool. This tool is essential for drawing perfectly symmetrical shapes, which are the foundation of any impressive magic circle. I'll guide you through activating the radial ruler and adjusting its settings to achieve your desired number of segments. Get ready to transform your digital art with these simple yet powerful techniques. First, let's get our canvas ready. Open Ibis Paint X and create a new canvas of your preferred size. Look for the ruler icon at the top of your screen. It usually looks like a small ruler. Tap on it and a menu will appear. From there, select the radial ruler. This is crucial for creating symmetrical designs. You can then adjust the number of divisions, typically 8 or 12, to control the symmetry of your magic circle. Now that your radial ruler is active, it's time to start drawing. Choose a brush that suits your style. A G pen or a dip pen hard often works well for crisp lines. Begin drawing from the center of your canvas, letting the ruler guide your strokes. Notice how your lines are mirrored across the divisions, creating perfect symmetry. You can add layers for different elements, building up your design with various shapes and patterns. To truly make your magic circle shine, consider adding some special effects. After you've laid down your base design, you can use the smudge tool to blend colors and create a softer look. Explore the filter options. The glow filter, for instance, can give your circle an ethereal aura. Don't forget to add any personal symbols or text that resonate with your design. Once you're happy, save your masterpiece in a high-resolution format.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.